Hi again. Today we're doing the cherimoya, which, if you've seen Game of Thrones, looks just like a dragon egg, which is a little weird. Maybe there'll be a dragon inside.
Rotate. Tasty.
I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this down the middle, I guess. It's soft. It's got some big seeds, it looks like. Oh my. Alright, so I guess I'll cut it another direction.
What's the inside texture like?
It's spongy, one might say.
It looks spongy.
Okay. Well.
Did we look up how to eat this?
We did not look up how to eat this, and I'm guessing that the peel is probably
not delicious
edible.
part of it.
So
there's so many seeds.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this slice here.
Could it be poisonous?
Well, it's sold in the produce section, so I'm guessing it's not poisonous. Alright, here goes nothing.
Did we finally find something that tastes good?
It's actually really good.
Make me a slice.
It tastes kind of like...
I want my own slice.
it tastes kind of like mango. Actually.
Like a spongy mango?
Like a spongy white mango.
Like mango fruit cake?
Yeah. Here. Yeah, this is actually...
Oh my goodness, it does taste good.
It's really good.
It's like a mango that's ripe and doesn't have an evil pit that's impossible to get out.
Yeah.
Oh, finally! Finally, Drapes of Wrath have found something worth eating. Oh.
Well, the dragon fruit was good.
Yeah, dragon fruit was good, but
this is
like actually worth going out of your way to find and eat. Okay.
Alright. So next time you're at the store, if you see a cherimoya,
which is unlikely to be at a normal store.
Probably at an Asian food store. Definitely pick one up. This is delicious. Upcoming.
It really is mango-y.
Upcoming this week, we have kumquat. We still have ugly fruit. A guava. And a passion fruit. So stay tuned. You can subscribe to our channel.
More!
You can subscribe to our channel if you want more videos. Alright. See you
Where are the
guys next
dragons?
time.
Any dragons involved?
Apparently not.
Apparently not. You did leave me a seed though.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, bye guys.
Alright.
Tune in for more hopefully delicious fruits.
Yep.